Hurricane Beryl now setting its sights on the Yucatan Peninsula. Wind speeds right now 110 miles per hour as of the 4 p.m. advisory. Again, that eye becoming a little bit more defined in this afternoon, so the wind shear hasn't had a huge impact on that. Still very warm waters over the Caribbean as well, so expected to still be a powerful hurricane by the time it makes landfall over the Yucatan Peninsula, expected in areas south of Cancun. But remember, this is just the track of the eye of the hurricane. The impacts can be felt well outside of just the eye. They're sprawling systems, and they can bring impacts even to our stretch of the Gulf Coast. The high risk for rip currents expected all the way through this weekend. Expected to weaken once it makes that landfall, then over the southwestern Gulf, only a tropical storm for much of the time, then strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before its next landfall in northeastern portions of Mexico and far southern portions of Texas. But again, like I said, these are expansive systems, so you're going to have impacts as far north as areas like Houston with that rough surf, heavy rainfall, and gusty winds. So watching for those impacts as we head to the end of the weekend and the start of next week, and will weaken quickly throughout the course of next week as well. So watching another area of tropical development as well. This is a very low chance of formation. Could see some very slow development as it makes its way west and northwest, but that shear will likely not allow it to develop anytime soon. It's a good sign for areas in the southwestern Gulf. Rip current risk, like I said, will be high Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so be mindful of that if you're spending time at our local beaches. I know the weather is going to be very summer-like with those afternoon showers and storms and hot temperatures, so you'll want to go down to the beach to enjoy the weather, but again, high risk for rip currents. Be very mindful of that at the local beaches.